Hello, and welcome back, everybody. So, I hope today you are so good, and I hope that you will have the best day ever. So, today we will fix another error, but today it's about Google AdSense. Yes, so it's about a risk in our earnings if we didn't fix some things in our or according to our ads.txt file. Something will be at risk, which is our earnings. So let's go and fix this error. So first of all, here we have the approval status of our website is ready, but the ads.txt is not found. So first of all, we need to have um, something to show AdSense or Google AdSense that this our website or this is our website and we want to link it with AdSense. So each and every click from this website, I want to get money from it from here in this Google AdSense account. So we will click here in the name of the URL of the website, and here is it. This is our link. So we will copy it until now, and let's go to the second step. All right. Now go to your host. For example, here in my case, I have a Hostinger host, or my host is Hostinger. So go to websites and then go to manage. And after that, open the file manager. Good. Now we are going to create what is it exactly? The txt or ads.txt file. So we will go here, we will go to public HTML and then new file. Let's click, let's name it ads.txt, create. Now we will copy the thing that we not copy, we will paste the copied thing here, and then we will just save it. The last step now is let's check if we have the file ads.txt in our website. So go to your website and then do /ads.txt, and here we find it. Now the last step is to wait for 2 or 3 days until AdSense will approve it, and then everything will be okay. And finally, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that fixes your problem. And don't forget, just wait for 2 up to 3 days until Google account approve it. And that's it. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, share, and like the video. And thank you. Bye bye.